Hello everyone, it's my farm 6 out of 10. Today we're doing Rathmore farm another day and 22 I think. Day 22. So we can't really do much on the farm because there's been so much rain and we can't get on the land, but we still have a good few jobs around the yard. So we're feeding a bale into ring feeder here for the cattle there. John is just giving the cattle a bit of meal there, and the Land Rover and the Ford 789 going down the road to saw up a tree that fell from the storm. We have the hedge cutter took off because the season deadline for hedge cutting was end of February there. Not much happened here in the gravel pit. Just everything's packed up. We have a farmer going down the road, big load of silage bales. And there's the contractor going to a neighbouring farmer to spread some dung. PJ is going to a farm to pick up I think it's a 135. He's going to do it up. He's pulling it out of the ditch. Well, he's going to do it up. Peter is taking the net off the square bale, and the cattle here are doing well. So sorry the video was short, as there's not much to do on the farm, but hopefully again near into the middle of spring we'll have more jobs to do when the weather gets better. So hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.